Thank you for clicking on the video. Appreciate you taking out the time to watch. These are Nike Trainer 1s. So these sneakers was meant to go with a basketball uniform. So the original colors we were supposed to be going for was white and orange. So one uniform is white and orange, the other is orange and white. Just like with any other sneaker, there was some issues dealing with it, and I hate the taping process. I think any customizer does, but ultimately, I felt good of what the outcome was. So, hey, check out the process. There you go. So some things I want to tell you guys about the sneaker is that there was like a metallic looking orange. It didn't shine as much. I used a matte finisher on this. So after I put that on, it kind of dulled it out, which I'm kind of disappointed on, but it is what it is. For the overall look of the sneaker, the matte look was the better look. And one of the orange in there was, I used copper and mixed orange into it. I'm kind of worried about that, the durability of that, because I had to use two different brand of paints. So one of the sprays I used was supposed to be a flat white. As you guys can see, it came out more looking like a off-white and not a flat white. Then I added white on there, some white drips. To me, it still made the sneaker look good, but it wasn't what I was really looking for. I wanted that really bold white. But as I kept going in the process, I realized there was no point in me messing with different whites to try to achieve what I should have achieved the first time when it already looks good. The person who has to wear it is happy about it. When it's all said and done, that's all that matters. And it matters to me a lot. These were a special delivery for a special person. So let's get into these final shots. Before we do though, I will ask you, can you please subscribe, hit the like button, and share the video. These things don't cost you anything, but it is a big help to the channel. So thank you for doing so. Catch you on the next one. In the comment section, let me know what you did or did not like about these sneakers. Don't forget, these are Nike Trainer 1s. In case you decide you want to go and customize a pair yourself, that's what they are. Again, thank you very much. Get in the comment section, let me know what you think.